Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video that is Genpact 2025 campus hiring. Before going into the video, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like the video. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you, right? Let us going into the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? Let us going into the video. The steps with the Genpact are: first you are going to receive a registration mail. Okay, I got registration mail through our college. If you want, you can apply outside. Okay, it is already completed in 2024 itself. First I received the registration mail, then I registered myself, then I got another mail for pre-placement talk. Okay, I joined, they given a link and they given a password, and through that mail I have joined into the Zoom meeting. Then they have given a certain instructions to be followed, and after that then I received and the mail that is assessment invitation. Okay, then also they have given and they have taken through that link, the system compatibility is checked. Okay, after assessment invitation you will receive another mail that is assessment test mail and then interview mail. Let us see what are the instructions they have mentioned in the mails. Okay, I have given a screenshots in this video so that you can get a clear idea what are the steps with Genpact. Come on, let us see. If you are haven't subscribed till now, please do subscribe, it motivates me. Okay, let us going into the video. Instructions to be followed. This is the first mail I have received from the Genpact, that is registration mail, first mail. In that, instructions are in this way. The Genpact company, the eligibility should be you should know Hindi and English. Okay, and experience is only freshers are eligible. Work location is Hyderabad, only work from office. That means no work from home. Okay, shifts are flexible with any shift. These are the instructions I got in my mail. And responsibilities are: respond to customer queries and customer concern and provide support for the data collection to enable recovery of the account for end user. That means it is the service based company, I think so, because you should meet the customer needs, right? And maintain a deep understanding of client processes and policies, and reproduce customer issues and accelerate product bugs and provide excellent customer service to our customers. As I have mentioned before, it is a customer service job. Okay, and qualifications we seek in you are: minimum qualification are graduate. Okay, and only freshers are eligible, and candidates should be able to read, speak and comprehend in Hindi and English languages. These are the qualifications for the Genpact. And preferred qualifications are effective probing skills and analyzing understanding skills, analytical skills with customer centric approach, and excellent proficiency with written English and with neutral English accent. You should be able to work on flexible schedule including weekend shift, right? This is the first mail and these are the first instructions I have received from the Genpact. Then let us see the another mail, that is pre-placement talk mail. Okay, let us see that. And this is the instruction, these are the instructions I received in the pre-placement talk mail. Okay, the note are: MBS to MBA candidates hired as a process associates, that means band 5A, I think so, and undergraduates are hired under 12-month government apprenticeship program. Okay, 0 to 12 months experience only, and exclusions are: candidate with over 12 months experience or in articleship programs are ineligible. And then MBA candidate should cannot be appreciations. Okay, these are the notes. Stipend, no additional benefits. Stipend only is provided by the Genpact, but no additional benefits. Okay, and promotion assessed after 12 months. Okay, after you joined, after 12 months only you are going to promote to the another post. Okay, and the period 3 to 6 months experience is considered. Okay, eligibility for VIC. And points to be noted are: download the Zoom app and do a trial check with your friends to ensure if your Zoom is working. See, for the pre-placement talk mail, see, you have to have this Zoom app with you. Okay, that is what they are saying. And please keep your camera on while taking the interview with the panel, and stay in place where there is a good network, and require you to join the call and schedule the call on time. This is the pre-placement talk instructions. And let us see what is next step, that is assessment invitation, right? In this assessment invitation, what I have received, these are the instructions I received. A few top tips before you begin are: use Chrome browser for better experience from your mobile or laptop devices. Ensure to unblock pop-up blockers, and do use browser's back button or switch between the screens. And all the best. This is the assessment invitation link, and then followed by assessment test link. And these are the things to be followed during the test. Okay, candidate must accept the virtual proctoring. See, for this test I have received a link as well as some code. By clicking the link, they will ask the code for you, then you have to put that code so that the test will begin for you. And exactly in this way only the exam has conducted. See, the whole test will take 10 minutes. Yes, right, within 10 minutes the exam got completed. Okay, each part will be explained with examples. Yes, right, of course they have given some examples in that way. See, what happened means, first for example I am telling you, if the round is, see, round 3, I'm telling about round 3. For round 3, what happened means spelling test. They have given some spelling and asked me to what is incorrect spelling that, so I have chosen one thing, then it has given as correct. Now do remaining things in the same way. That means it has given first the example and then asked me to continue the remaining. Okay, that in that how the exam will be. Okay, each part will be explained with examples. Means first they will give a trial example and you have to do trial on it, then the real exam starts. Okay, that is the thing with the each part will be explained with examples. Means that is what. And if you are unsure what the right answer is, choose the answer that seems to be right, but try to avoid wild guessing. Because see, here is the thing for this one, for this instruction. Here is the example. See, you will get points for the right answers and wrong answers will subtract the points. See, that is the thing. See, don't guess the wild guessing. If you feel the answer seems to be correct, only you has to opt that. But if you feel that it is incorrect, don't opt that, because it subtracts your marks, then it makes you ineligible for the interview round. Okay, see, for every question there will be a question mark, then you have to choose the correct option. The question mark will not change your score, and choose the question mark instead of wild guessing. See, you have given a question, you don't know the answer, then what you have to do, in the options, along with the options there will be a question mark. That means you don't know anything, then you can opt the question mark, so that you won't get negative marks and it seems that you don't know the answer for that. Okay, if you know the answer, please put it. If you don't know, please opt the question mark. Okay, right, in that way the thing will be. I hope you got the clear idea with these instructions. Each round will give an example. No need to worry. First, you will give a sample question. It will tell you, yes, right, now do the same thing with the remaining questions. In that way only, whole test will be completed within 10 minutes. No need to worry about that. And if you are unsure the right answer is, choose the answer that seems to be right, but don't do any wild guessing. Okay, the round 1 is fluency test, that is 4 minutes. Fill the gap in the given sentence by choosing the correct option. Okay, then vocabulary test, we must choose the word that matches the given definition. That means the one who prays a lot, That might be question. Your answer will be in the four options. Okay, in that way, that means idioms, phrases they might given, and one word substitutions. In that vocabulary test will be. And fluency test means you fill the gap in the given sentence by correcting the option. There is a sentence, then you have to choose the blank, how to fill the blank with the correct answer. That is the round one. And round three is the spelling test, that is correct spelling. It might be CORECT. Then you might give a correct spelling for that. Okay, in that way the round 3 goes on. Okay, choose the correct spelling word. This is the assessment test. You Once you clear the assessment, then you will receive another mail. See, I cleared this assessment in December, I think so. Oh, no, in November I cleared this assessment. Now yesterday I received the invitation for the interview. That means it takes the time. Okay, no need to worry, but do your best in the assessment. That is the thing. And the assessment invitation we have done this, right? Now interview. Tomorrow is my interview. Okay, sorry for that. Tomorrow is my interview. I will share the details with you how it went on. Okay, but these are the instructions I got in the interview mail. See, job description. Responsibilities are provide resolution to maintain standards of quality and review the content and provide resolution based prescripted guidelines. And these are the instructions. Qualification we seek in you are any graduate and freshers are eligible and fluent in read, speak, comprehend in English and Hindi language. Of course I don't know Hindi, but I know English, so that I manage. I don't know what will happen in the interview, tomorrow interview. I will let you know what happened in the interview, so stay tuned. And these are the preferred qualifications. Effective prohibiting probing skills and analyzing understanding skills and problem solving skills with customer centric approach. That means there might be questions based on the scenario. I hope so. So let us see how will be the interview. I hope everything goes well. And if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I try to resolve those. Okay, all the best if you are also doing the interview. And thank you for supporting me. Please do subscribe and like and share my video. Please, that helps me. I have seen many unsubscribed one are seeing my videos, but please do subscribe so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Thank you so much.